Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for dahlias. First, select a location that receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours each day. Ensure your soil drains well to prevent rot. Plant your dahlia tubers after all danger of frost has passed, typically when soil temperatures reach about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Give them 18 to 24 inches of space between each plant for healthy development. Once your dahlias are established, consistent watering is key. Aim for deep watering 2 to 3 times per week, particularly during dry spells. However, avoid overhead watering to keep the foliage dry and prevent fungal issues. For feeding, use a low-nitrogen fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. This encourages more blooms rather than just leafy growth, giving you a spectacular display. As your dahlias grow, providing support is crucial, especially for taller varieties. Install stakes early to prevent damage from wind or heavy blooms. Pinching back the central stem when the plant is about 12 inches tall encourages a bushier plant with more flowers. Remember to deadhead regularly by removing spent blooms. This signals the plant to produce even more beautiful flowers throughout the season. For regions with cold winters, you'll need to dig up your dahlia tubers after the first hard frost. Carefully lift them, leaving some soil attached, and allow them to dry for a few days. Store them in a cool, dark, and dry place, like a basement or garage in peat moss or wood shavings. This ensures they're ready for planting next spring. Also, for some great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.